In 2026, Google significantly altered its AI landscape. They took their standalone research tool, NotebookLM, and plugged it directly into the main Gemini app interface. This has created immediate confusion for many users. You are now looking at two different interfaces that appear to do identical work. Both read PDFs, both synthesize massive document sets, and both generate interactive audio podcasts. But treating them as the same tool creates a massive risk. Drop a task into the Realm interface, and you either end up with severe AI hallucinations on technical files or find yourself completely blind to current events happening on the live web. Navigating this requires understanding the three operational modes now available: standalone NotebookLM, standalone Gemini, and the new hybrid integration where the two meet. The interface you select determines whether your project data flows smoothly or fragments into a series of disconnected, context-free chats. This matrix maps exactly how capabilities differ across the three workspaces. Gemini has access to live web search, while NotebookLM remains a closed loop. Conversely, NotebookLM provides strict, reliable citations linked to specific paragraphs, a feature where standalone Gemini still struggles. Look down at project organization and audio generation, and the new hybrid mode starts to selectively combine traits. You gain persistent folders for your documents, but you do not get the deep interactive audio modes available in the standalone app. This raises a practical financial question. Is the $19.99 monthly fee for Google AI Pro a requirement to make this hybrid system viable? Workflow efficiency depends on identifying the correct interface for the specific task sitting in front of you, rather than simply choosing the smartest model. Let's look at the extremes. Standalone NotebookLM is your input engine, designed specifically for deep, isolated study. It operates under strict constraints, capped at 50 documents on the free tier and 300 on the pro tier, all within a closed ecosystem. Because it only reads what you provide, the synthesis is highly trustworthy. You get exact citations and access to deep, interactive audio overviews. The trade-off for that accuracy is a total disconnection from the live internet. It cannot see current events or answer queries outside your uploaded files. On the opposite side, you have standalone Gemini, the open web engine. This is where you run deep research across hundreds of websites, write code, and generate creative drafts based on live data. But Gemini suffers from single-session amnesia. Once a chat is buried in your history, the AI loses the context of your project. And when processing dense technical documents, the risk of hallucination increases significantly. Relying on either of these platforms in total isolation leaves a capability gap in any serious professional workflow. This flowchart shows notebooks in Gemini acting as a bridge between your private documents and the open web. This enables hybrid queries, cross-referencing internal documents with live competitor data. It also includes notebook memory, retaining project context across multiple separate conversations. This power requires meticulous discipline. You must curate your source notebooks carefully, otherwise the hybrid output quickly degrades with irrelevant or garbage data. You also lose precision. The document citations generated in this hybrid mode are noticeably less exact than those in the standalone NotebookLM app. The hybrid mode bridges your document libraries and the live internet, but it demands rigorous data organization to maintain that connection. The ultimate setup for power users combines a custom Gemini gem, a specialized AI persona, with a connected notebook folder. When linked, the gem automatically updates its knowledge base whenever you drop a new document into the notebook, without requiring a re-upload or new instructions. This automated pipeline is strictly limited to the $19.99 monthly Google AI Pro subscription. It is not available to free users. The Pro tier provides larger document limits, but its primary function is serving as the requirement for hands-free workflow automation. To navigate this ecosystem, follow a single rule: learn versus do. During the learn phase, you stay in standalone NotebookLM. This is purely for input, studying your materials and extracting precise, grounded citations. When you move to the do phase, you switch to Gemini. This is where you generate output, writing reports, drafting emails, and executing hybrid web queries. For students and casual researchers, the free tier is sufficient, providing 100 notebooks and basic hybrid queries. The $19.99 monthly fee provides the 1 million token context window, deep research capabilities, and the automated gem syncing pipeline required by heavy professionals. While the fundamental software is free, successfully scaling a professional workflow in this environment requires a monthly financial investment. Organizational security introduces a different set of requirements, making NotebookLM Enterprise a necessity. Companies have strict input needs, requiring VPC-SC compliance and customer-managed encryption keys to protect their infrastructure. Deploying the enterprise version ensures that internal corporate documents are never used to train Google's public AI models. The cost of this security is increased friction. Enterprise deployment requires heavy IT administration and restricts sharing entirely to within the Google Cloud project. Consumer tiers dictate the speed of your daily workflow. Deploying the enterprise tier dictates the survival and security of your organizational data.